Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll discuss about the flow of control. Normally, coding of programs starts from the first line to the last line. Okay, but sometimes according to the requirement, the execution of the code changes its directions, thus affecting the flow of the control of the program code. Normally, flow of control can be categorized as three different types. For example, normal flow of control, conditional flow of control, and multiple branching of the control. The way in which the program executes to generate the correct output is called the flow of the control. Let me repeat, the way in which the program executes to generate the correct output is called the flow of control. Generally, there are three types of flow of control. They are the normal flow of control, or we call it as a sequential control flow. There are conditional control flow. There is multiple branching control flow. And if I'll break it in different parts, it will be categorized as more type. For example, as you can see that concurrency control flow is there, where we use multi-threading, asynchronous programming, or the parallel processing. Also, when we are working with the loops, then that is also a different type of flow control, using the for loop, while loop, do while loop. When you are using functions, using the function we can call different function, so that time as well the flow of control can change. The regular function, there can be regular function calls, or there can be the recursive function call. At the time of the exception handling control, we use the try catch block and finally block, and based on our choice we can change the control flow from the try catch and finally block. And we'll also discuss slowly each and every points over here, how this control flow actually works in real life. We'll discuss each and everything. Okay, in this diagram or in this picture, you can see the main types of control flow in programming language. In case of sequential control flow, it executes the instruction one after another in a sequence without branching or looping. In case of conditional or selection control flow, it allows branching based on the condition. For example, if statement, there is a if else statement, there is a switch statement. Based on condition we can branch. You can see also there looping control flow. In this case, it repeats the set of instruction until a condition is met or no longer met. So in that case we have three different types of choice: for loop, while loop, and do while loop. Also you can see multi-branching control flow. So switch case also a conditional control flow as well as the multi-branching control flow, because switch case is having the multiple branches. And multiple branching, it manages the several branching option often used to switch statement for different types of data or different types of operations that you can do using the switch case. Also you can use the nested if else for multi-branching as well. Also you can see that exception handling control flow over here, it handles the unexpected events or errors, allowing the programmer to respond gracefully. So on that case there are two different blocks, try catch blocks and finally block. We can use those. And the last one, as you can see, there is a subroutine control flow, or we can say function or method control flow as well. In this case, it transfers the control to a functions or the method and returns the control after the function completes. And in this case there can be two type of functions call. There can be regular function call and the recursive function call. And one more option, last option is there, that is concurrency control flow. In concurrency control flow, it manages the multiple processes or threads executing simultaneously. So on this case we can have multi-threading, which can be synchronous processing, can be asynchronous processing, Also there is a parallel processing also there, we can also do that. So these are all type of control flow serves a different purpose in directing program execution. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you have any question regarding this video, you can write it in the comment section. We'll try to solve your problem as soon as possible. So thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.